All right. Now, next, we have a pilot presentation on the topic of sustainability. We're going to have from DXC Technology together with Circular IQ. And for this, I have the Automotive Practice Manager from DXC Technology, which is Giuseppe, and then also the founder from Circular IQ, Roy. I cannot see where they're at, but I know they're going to join me on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for them as well. Now, the microphone is coming right up. Hello, how are you doing? There you go. You need clicker or anything? Clicker, you good?
Okay, I will start now.
Okay.
I don't think we need a clicker.
All right, awesome. Best of luck.
So, good afternoon.
Just in case, you never know.
So you know what happens to a product when it reaches its end of life. That is for a vehicle, for a car, but it's also for a phone, for this phone. So this product will be discarded, will be replaced by another product, and you have to take care of the dismantling process. So you have to take care of the impact of the environment of the product at the end of life. We know all of that. But the key point today is that we work in collaboration with Circular IQ to help the manufacturer to minimize the impact on the environment. So to manage all the information that you need to reduce what you waste in the environment. So that is due to the collaboration between the DXC MAX platform, material collector system, that is aggregating and managing and orchestrating all the information related to the materials and the substances that are inside your product, and the expertise of Circular IQ to design and analyze the CTI framework, in this case, to represent and measure the real impact on the environment of each product. So it's up to you.
Yes. So my name is Roy. I'm the founder of Circular IQ. I'm very happy to be here. The value that our software brings to the MAX solution is actually related to more enriched material composition information. So not just knowing which material you are using, but also the amount of recycled content or renewable content in this material. And this is very important because that's the information that drives the environmental impact. If you're able to increase recycled and renewable impact, composition part of your materials, that is a very good way to improve your environmental performance. And by adding that information in line with the CTI framework, but also in line with the new ISO 59020 and ESRS E5, which is part of the CSRD, we can really help the automotive industry.
So how it works, so you see in this loop, that this is the process, the typical process loop when you have to check your effectiveness in recycling materials in your product. So first of all, you have to get all the information from your supply chain about the materials that are inside the components that you use for your product. Then you have to check that all the materials in your components are compliant with the current regulations like REACH, ROS, and the other regulations we have. Then we can associate each single component of the bill of material with the related MDS, material data sheet coming from your suppliers. When you have these associations in place, that is what MAX is doing, you have the full visibility of what is inside your product. At that time, you can do a number of analysis and calculation of KPIs, like, for example, the skip dossier. You are maybe familiar on that, has to be transmitted to ICA. And you can do a 3R analysis, so to check which is the percentage of recyclable component inside your product. And you can perform the CTI framework analysis with the Circular IQ that we announced today as a collaboration, as an additional functionality to MAX. And we can calculate the product carbon footprint at the product level, and we can print all the ISO certificate that you need to homologate the vehicle or to homologate the product. The good thing is that with Max, you can rework your BOM, your bill of material. You can change maybe some component. You can select a different supplier. Of course, you have not to change the structure of the product, but you can even select different suppliers until you reach the right KPIs. That means in terms of product carbon footprint, in terms of CTI framework analysis, in terms of 3R analysis, and so on. As soon as you rework and you fix your BOM, you can freeze your product and you can transform in another material data sheet to upload to the supply chain. And so you close the loop. So this is, in a nutshell, what we can do with Max and together with Circular IQ.
Thank you.
Thank you.